Great news! The Sira mobile kiosk is now operational at Umlazi Mega City Mall, bringing essential Sira services closer to you. Collect your approved Sira certificate and identification card quickly, conveniently, and closer to home. Here's how it works. First, pay for your certificate or card online. Once your payment is complete, you'll automatically be redirected to book your branch visit. Simply select the Umlazi mobile kiosk and collect your certificate or card on your confirmed booking date. Remember, no payment, no booking.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's match day number 3 with Betway Premiership at the Kings Park Stadium, where he hosts Chipa United. We're hosting the Orlando Pirates. Kumdlala with Betway Premiership, and I'm on Sunday at 3. Orlando Pirates picking up 3 points, scoring 3 goals, and making sure Guti namhlanje balala ku number 1 on top of Betway Premiership. Lo mdlalo bendibukele again no Junior. Junior, ndibuse mfethu kunjani?
Shane mabrada kunjani uthi?
No. Okay.
Ngibulise Justo. Kulule kwa mabrada ngibulise uBobzin, ngibulise uBenedict Vilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Ashini umfana uMichael Nkambule namhla isimbekile. May soul rest in peace. Sibonga yonke umuntu ozile awuthiyami. Wonke umuntu, thanks to everyone. Umfana ubekeke kahle. Yo. I bekumnyama too. Umfana abantu bamthandile Shane, and ngibuya khona as we speak, and mani funeral esimnandi celebrate ke. There's nothing esingayenza Shane, kube besikwazi ukushintsha. Besingayishintsha lento ingenzeki. But bekuyivikile stress emndeni kaNkambule nabantu abamaziclose. So umfana nje uphumulile today. Mara abantu bebaphumile inumber. Siyabonga iDaveton people mfethu. Sibonge nabantu ba outside the iDaveton, and even former players. I saw Kune was there as well. I saw many players. Thabo Ntete, Siyabonga. I one of those people, and no mfethu into njengaliyana people were touched. Yeah, Shane, just to continue. Lo mfana obani Mokobodi.
Yeah.
I just want to tell something. Mokobodi. Pirates iphethe itholi chem lapha. Yeah, uzobona ayishini mina ngithatha isikhathi ukuthi ngimbone. Obviously it's a game of opinion.
Sure.
Pirates iphethe chem lapha. Abanelihle Pirates ukusayina ama player. And from nowhere. I mean, this boy kuphethe Premiership akaze ngibeke lihlo yabo kuye. I need to be honest. Ku Stellenbosch I had to udlala ku Stellenbosch. Yes. Ku Stellenbosch benginokumbona nje but ngambeki lelo 44. Abomxolisi nabo banibani technical team Orlando Pirates ukuthi bambone, bamdonse. Phela kune say ethi when you sign a player, mele ubheke indlela esidlala ngayo. Well done to Orlando Pirates bring that boy. Different Orlando Pirates how they play now. Very composed in the midfield. Orlando Pirates yazi mabafika ku last third kulaba dangerous corner. Front 4, front 3.
Yeah.
But now different Orlando Pirates two. I'm talking about Tutansi Nalumchito Mukobodi. Every time they play Orlando Pirates building up, CMA is playing like a defensive midfield. We ask good to China Epalini is extra player with China. Modern goalkeeper badlala ngenyawo. UCMA always avail himself. And mabamdlala umuntu wa take space. When he attack the space, ufuna udansen uyavela na this guy Mokobodi. Mfethu it was enjoyable ukubabukela boy2 how they play amongst each other. Because mabangatholani Orlando Pirates, if there's no combination between them balance, angeke team ikwazi ukudlala. They did very well these two, but even if the Mesham well mfana. This boy Pirates just have elevated. It's only the beginning.
Sure.
Very composed and accurate ngama passes wakhe. He played forward, he played if I go on we be super patient. You understand, and then abakhipha bulungu. Well done to Tito Masonga. I didn't do dlalile nani. Uyakwazi ukusebenzisa ingqondo Tito. I know Axi played Pacey, but very dangerous player. Uyazaza kana speed udlalela close with ipali sometimes, and especially kule game namhlanje ukudlala phambi kwepali. Well done to Tito. That thing I think iyamsiza because makabuya from deep drop deep imeleze nebhola kana speed. Ugcina isolated this guy Mbutuma. But today ngimbonile beka in front of next to ipadi, and well done to Lungu. I think in modern football is fundise into. Coaches they don't mind to play with the winger aggressive and a speed esebenzayo who can defend and also kick the ball technically, not a skillful winger. Mina ngisibelieve yalento leyo because Pound when I check how Pirates play, mangabe bentshintshurile bekumele nimtholele umuntu onjengaye, yabona, similar type of player. But mhlamba bo vet boys sort of yabo, but coach ngibonile ibelieve kulunga, but unike enye dimension naye, and well done, good goal, but goalkeeper that's poor. Bakushaya ku first pole la umekhona omude ngapha ungakobi ngoba uzothatha isikhathi lingamadolo vali engeli kushayisela liphumele ngaphandle, simple, because mawugoba kude le phansi umuntu angithi. So ulungu lishayela ngepower first pole. Well done. Paris created so many chances, Shane, and they deserve to win this game. Mina I was surprised yokungithatha isikhathi ithi ukuthi bebangabi compose yabo mabafika phambi kwebhali. Second half much better. Unfortunately ngibonile uTito kunala dribble yatake abantu, good footwork umjida and individual brilliance. Kuma play ku Pirates expecting into enjengale kube nama player njengabo Tito, skillful individual yabo. I team enjenge Pirates akusithi edlala nge-system,
unlucky not to score there.
Yeah, unlucky. I mean simnike credit ukuthatha responsibility and nokusebenzisa weaker foot and unfortunately, but second half njoba ngisho after lunga kora yangicaka ilo iChippa United. Why waiting for Orlando Pirates? Because mangababheka lo defending too deep now. Goodman Msele lo mfana lo Azola and then also Mfecane. Three in the middle field playing like the way next two defense yabo. You understand, and abo figure rate nabo Mlochwa, they need nabo chemist bekumele babuye back. Defending too deep, allowing Orlando Pirates to have Ebola. Once we allow Ivan Ebola, it's okay.
And I saw Musele playing closer to the box here, cheaper than.
Next to defense, and then Lumfana lo enkulma ngayo Azola same. Yeah, we know the offensive player, but the box to box sort of. But babadlalise nearer to each other and nearer to defense yabo. Babacele nalama player up front abo figure ready to come and defend. Abo guti matotifni and a half. You don't have to go all out. Ningena phakathi when we defend, and then when you got the ball, melen suke afini to attack. I mean the ground is cool. Ngibonile no ground utshani bupitin. Figure rate very good player. Chippa United, unfortunately, now I'm chitanga opportunity, like other players to play in big teams, and I think it's a striker. I understand striker's dynamic, skillful. I ponelas. He never lost the ball. It's him in general. Gunzima, mangabu understand the game. Guzoba is good to mbone. Do Gunzima, ngobu Chippa United they lost 3-0. Goal number 2. Well done to Orlando Pirates set piece. Good player le korile. Lomfano CM. Yeah. A future Bafana, even a captain, I can say. I would love to see that boy Dana Nombugazi Lapagu center back pairing, and they go down on the left hand side. I just want to see that. And Bageba is to chain the party in Bafana. I just want to see that Guno Debs up once. And I'm sure we need to snap on, but I'm sure Pizzo will do that. So, well assembled team Orlando Pirates and exciting. Second half much better. Nobody was sense of agency. Sibonile an individual brilliant Spanile. Good corner, good technique, pinpoint. And Mfana, it's not good medals way here. And
finally, Junior Sorgo Carter. Finally, Orlando Pirates get to make good use of his set pieces because they've been getting a lot of them, but not converting. But it was good to see Enye as a corners in Genemnatin.
That's why I need good pinpoint pass. I see cross the pass because it's a straight go here. And you see no guti lela bola lela. I'll time, I'll aim it at all time. I this a proper technique forehead. And la we corner bola. Goalkeeper be on a chance. Goal number 3, Msedam, Abuya from the bench. Bengisho ngithi Msedam ama player njengaye. If akakori at Orlando Pirates kuna my expectations. Sekane isikhatha la. If you figure into one, figure man just fit like a glove. Bona bo Siema, abo Rile Mbogazi. When as an international player we bring you, you come from Marumo Kalans. If successful la pakuna my expectations, and izo build confident kuye ngoba at Orlando Pirates akadlali sometimes usustained Gimbe kuna this thing with the might learning. Abo boma January or season my phela bekama mlolo. But izo build confident. The Pirates izoba nike into. Well done to the guy. nokusebenzisa arrogant lapha yabona ukuthi ngiyalwina le bhola and for sure I believe walwina good composer yabo uthatha responsibility I mean he's a player and well done to him and Orlando Pirates will deserve ne game management namasapo abo bawufakile ngibonile when they put this boy coming from the bench there's a boy I think Masilela
yeah.
Good player. It's just that into nje kumele bamtshele yona. Mina ngiyathanda ukukushopa ukuthi yabo. He must fight ukuthi ngoba he look talented. Uyambona angaboni match I don't know na comment. But into kumele yazi mabamnika ichance njengale. Other coaches they want ukuthi mhlawumbe ushaye target or you contribute or you score. But uyambona ibhola lazi. My ngizo emphasize nje ukuthi if you come in yes ungenile ngimbonile ufike naye wa ATV but dlalela phambi kwebhali boy. And create or score goals. So, but well done, Orlando Pirates. Well done to the coach and Amasapo. I think Pirates will deserve 3-0, and they deserve.
Tell me, Julia, before Sivala, you spoke about Tumokobut, and I want to emphasize Apaguya Ganin. He's a player in Orlando Pirates. He signed just before the first game in MTN8. I think just a week or a couple of days before their first game. I can't go pre-season in Spain. When Orlando Pirates closed the season, there was the last 2 games. There was a defensive midfielder who was playing, Usilepe. He played and then he won the man of the match in their last game against the Orbit.
I remember Usilepe.
Coming now, because now Usilepe he was in Spain. Now, itiluktini indaba ukuthi uMokobudi kangabena pre-season. Now season yaqala, he is starting games ahead of abantu bekhona beheavy pre-season. Ilonto mhlawumbe ingaba ithethe ukuthi italente yakhe mhlawumbe here embeka ahead of as a players or mhlawumbe coach will still want to see more of him before he mhlawumbe make a final decision ukuthi this is my defensive midfielder for the rest of the season.
Pirates are defending championships. Kuna expectation ku Pirates. Kusho ukuthi bayazi nabo everybody will want to beat them. They need to defend the cup. After abuye coach abuye ku pre-season kunento angabanga happy ngazo. What? Uthema ka Chepa boSlepe what now? Yes, ngiphethe aboSlepe. I've got abondula bobani namtechela. But dancing but this is kune playing in there. And I believe ku Pirates maba decide collectively. Mina ngisashona namhlanje abomxolisi banasandla nabo Joe aboncane dukuduku banesandla ku Pirates. I decision ephuma ku Pirates they hardly sign a bad player mfethu. Mele sinchayile izandla shini ngalowo. You guys I know mangithi they hardly sign a bad player nina except spending money the past 2 seasons on guy credit ngalento leyo uyabona it's just obvious angeke ngicompare nabanye abantu ama team but nina this thing when you take a decision nithatha collective and uyabona abantu abazibhola akusabantu abahlala eofficeini and then ngabasendela ama clip yabo and lento leyo ivele isinika iraise ama question manje you do proper scouting nina a proper talent identification ayenza and nendlela ukuthi player manual identify na check ukuthi lizosuit style of play say na that's why ngithi yakalungu bekuyi question mark kimi yabona mina mhlambe bengitshela ukuthi nemsebenzisa as a striker especially mandla eAfrica so Shane lo mfana lo it was an emergency call mhlambe ukuthi okay after Spain masibuya we needed sifunela inye player besithi aliyeka lela player lela Mokobudi ku Stellenbosch but we can't asiyamlanda. And they brought him special player. I mean, ngicela uyibheke le. Hayi le Shane. Chipa United now I'm very very disappointed joba ngisho uTrue the coach team yakhe very static. I mean, Abu Chipa they don't change. They remain in the same level. The team it's like not they enjoying save status. I understand. I respect Oprah Chipa Mpengis for saving him the but I think he needed to sign quality players, best players. Kune question ebuzo Nkuleko la ukuthi in order for you to compete with Pirates and Sundowns, but these are 2 teams about mawudlala nabo we like it or not uzoba ne-jive in terms of they will train you how they manage the game, they score goals, they've got double individual brilliance and stuff, top class players. I mean numbers don't lie how they dominate ama number bafana those teams. So Abu Chipa made benze proper scouting. Shane once when's a before sends a proper scouting, just get a proper coach.
Well, Thank you so much, Junior. That is Junior Kanye. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo eKings Park Stadium between i-host Chippa United ne Orlando Pirates. Lapho ke Orlando Pirates win khona ke ngo 3-0. From myself and Junior, thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.